Hello, everyone. Today I would like to show you two sets of large garbage bins molds that we are ready to ship. The two sets of molds are 240 liters and 360 liters super large outdoor garbage bins. You can see this big set of molds next to me. This is a body mold for a 360-liter trash can. The whole mold is processed with 2,738 type steel material. The mold is 1.5 meters long, 1.45 meters wide and 1.68 meters high. The overall weight is up to 24 tons. A mold cycle takes only 150 seconds. Such a high deep cavity product processing requirements are high, do not allow any machining accuracy deviation. So in design, special attention should be paid to hot runner flow balance and sufficient cooling design to ensure that the product filled full quickly, cooling quickly. At the same time to consider the injection process of the mold ejection reset, ejection balance, manipulator fetching position, and so on. The trash can production line belongs to one of the 9 production lines of Sino Group. We pay attention to the design and optimization of garbage bin mold. Accurate dimensional precision control in the process of processing. Strictly control the process sequence. It helps customers to shorten the molding cycle and improve production efficiency.